These are foam strips that the glass sits on. It's sticky on both sides. Once you peel the paper off, the glass will stick to the edge. See, there's a bevel. The glass rides inside this. Both pieces of glass come close together, and then you caulk in between. See how the caulk joints look. And when I haven't filled a void next to another piece of glass, I just run a bead of caulk in there to protect it from water getting inside, especially one of these closed panels. The ones that are just pure glass like this one, I don't worry about it as much. They put stickers on each one of the windows so I can identify it. It also shows the direction, so I know which way goes up. Put the suction cup on, pump it up. Now I can lift the glass. And that's how it's done. Pain in the butt.